Hi, this painting began with a commission, but became something more than that, something personal. Became about our community, a winter night, and a banner that refused to stay down. My name's Burke Jones. I'm an oil painter, artist in Newburyport in New England. When I was approached to paint the rehanging of the Black Lives Matter banner outside the Unitarian Church in Newburyport, I knew immediately it was a subject worth doing, but we had to do justice to it. A commission like this carries a certain responsibility to the community, to the people in it, and to the moment itself. The Black Lives Matter banner outside the First Religious Society, the Unitarian Church on Pleasant Street in Newburyport, had been damaged. Its repair and rehanging was a community event presided over by Pastor Rebecca Bryan. It was winter, it was cold, snow was falling, and yet people came. That detail, the snow, the light, the willingness to stand outside in the dark for something that mattered, that's what I wanted to capture, and I hope I did. So every painting starts with sketches. What am I going to do? How am I going to do it? And I had certain reference photos to work from, crowd shots in the original summer rally, portraits of the pastor, and crucially some night footage that showed the lamp lights, the wet pavement, bare trees, warm glow against the night sky. I knew the painting had to be set at night. I felt more honest about that somehow. For the process of the painting, I started with the architecture of the church, beautiful facade. That was essential. It's the painting's backbone, if you will. But the banner was so important, literally and figuratively, the focal point of the painting. However, the Pastor Rebecca, was also right next to it. She needed to be recognizable, but also part of the scene. Not just sort of a portrait dropped in, but it needed to look like her also. The crowd I built up gradually, keeping the brush strokes kind of loose, letting the figures emerge, if you will, from the atmosphere, depending on whether they were close or middle or in the distance. Snow is almost the last thing, possibly the best thing. Those falling flakes catch the lamplight and tie everything together. What I hope you see when you look at the painting is not just a record of an event, but rather a feeling of what happened that night. The air was cold, the warm light, the sense of the people choosing to show up. The raised fist, yes, in the foreground. It's a synthesis, a distillation of what that moment meant. The banner says Black Lives Matter. The painting, I hope, says the same thing, just in a different language. In closing, let me simply say this, that this one mattered to me. I hope it shows.